Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Dwayne. And now Dwayne and Selene is on this, and Dwayne is speaking to Selene about the landlord. Now you have to catch the video and see, because Selene is saying that allegedly the landlord called her and told her to tell Dwayne to leave Miss D alone. So when I forget to catch up with there, because it's something, that's big. And Dwayne, him always go off on those things. So go watch and listen to what they have to say on this. And remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you know when I post. Also, please comment, and remember also that I'm now have memberships available, so you can sign up whenever you're ready. Thank you so much, and have a great day.
Our far family are coming. Understand? Our families are coming from where? Far. Do you understand?
Yeah.
No make no girl or boy on social media make them feel like they're modern. You hear what I'm saying? No make no girl
No,
or
boy. You know, some in a ramp for dip up under them nastiness.
dip up and dip
you know
up.
That.
You're supposed
that
to.
back a girl, boy can't rap with me on social media.
You are supposed to.
I go so.
All right.
We tell them their husband or them go back at night time.
All right. Listen, I have a question for ask you, right? Because me see some termites coming out on social media want to come style you as if to say them know your pattern get put on at daytime, or them know if you eat at daytime, or basically yes. Today you said to me, say somebody call you a cuss you, right?
Yeah.
Who call you a cuss you? Don't tell a lie.
The guy sound, the guy sound like Erica.
Which
Erica number? What we call about the number Erica answer?
Which Erica?
Me never landlord, but Erica come up on the phone. Because me never a number.
Erica from Portland call you and cuss you, right?
Landlord.
She call you and cuss you.
Yes, if you tell Batman doing, if we can't tell Batman doing, if you Miss Dana. I'm going to say, come off of my bumper class phone and mix me up. You push the wall.
Are you guys hearing this? Are you guys hearing this? On the hearing?
I can't me know for me turn against Miss Dana and turn against you. Make them move them now, say blood clot. You think me is a mixer? You think me not have no blender for bumper class blend, not even June must let me blend people.
Slowly, who call you cuss me one more time?
Me say, the number come up, coming up, Erica number, that a landlord number. Erica come up on my phone when I got Western Union.
Mm-hmm.
Look away. You understand? Go look for the foreign man. Right. And me say, I owe this. And advise this one like a Pepsi. When do the video, so I say Pepsi. So the person hang up, cut me off and call back. I say, me, Erica. You will tell Batman doing for low, Miss Dana blood clot, Lord. I'm saying, go suck your mother and come out from the phone, big pussy girl.
Mighty God.
We can't have to drive, but we can't go on the driver say, but you know, easy, no? So, Lenny.
Mighty God.
One set me against Miss Dana. All the while, then do it, and sometimes we chat.
Are you guys hearing that?
Yeah, and get fucked.
Are you guys hearing that?
I'm say something about you. And then go back, go play tape and say, listen to Selenia go on. She don't know, say, I set up. Them now say, bomber clot on social media. They trying to blood clot draw me out, you know.
Want to hear that? Are you guys hearing that?
Pussy Erica call me and tell me about, say, big pussy doing, say, fellow, Miss Dana. Me not busy with doing, Miss Dana, because when Miss doing, Miss Dana a friend, the two of them a friend. Yeah, I don't blood clot busy with what they have. Me not busy with people business. Me have my soul. You understand? Me have my soul. Me have my problem. I don't busy with Dana I'm doing. Me not get into that because my brain can't take me. Just got bail to take my education yesterday. Me can't take no blood clot stress.
Slowly. Why do you think? Why do you think? Where did all of this start?
Bad man. They don't like serious about in their life. Bad man and grateful. I got to kill them. Bad man and grateful. What you see? A bad man and grateful I kill them. Bad man, red eye. They don't know how you get your things and the red eye you feel.
So you're telling hold on.
But they want to come near me, move them now, say blood clot. Me now make no uncircumcised Philistine, my blood clot sacrifice.
People share the live. So hold on, you're telling me Erica calling you, cursing me, telling you, cussing you, telling you to cuss me and telling me to leave that alone, right? And that's I say.
I mean, that she say, me phone in the past speaker, everybody in the taxi here.
On the air, people, on the
phone
air.
in the past speaker.
Are you guys hearing? It gone this far.
The taxi man, when me done, the taxi man say, Bumbo class. So they don't know you know. They don't know so you know easy to keep secret. I don't keep a blood class secret. I keep people in my heart. My heart will look for that. I don't want when that's how the surgery people I don't put on my blood clot ass.
Alright, chill out with the cuss word. Chill out with the curse words.
Alright, so come over your blood clot for you.
No. Stay there. What was her exact words to you? I'm gonna ask her one more time, okay? You're there on my live. You are on my live. You're sure sir Erica from Portland call you.
Let me tell you the number. 20 8 5 8
Hold on. Give hold on. Give Lena the phone. I met Lena read out the number what call you pan. What call you? I saw Erica number.
Lena! Do I call you?
No one can't set her up. Nobody. No one can't set her up. Listen, no one can set her up. No one. Where is any of you? Listen, one thing I will never do is take away what Plankawas did for her. One thing I will never do. What the donors from Plank Shop did for her. I will never, ever. Lena, talk on a number there. What call her?
21. 8 5 887.
Talk the number one more time.
21 85 887.
Want to hear that number? Somebody write that number in the comment for me. Someone write the number in the comment. Say the number one more time.
21
21
85
85